And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, firefighters are still at the scene of a massive fire at the Azan Supercenter warehouse on Ashenheim Road in St. Andrew.
Up to 6 p.m., smoke could still be seen coming from the building. Romardo Lyons has our report.
Thick black smoke blanketed the sky as firefighters worked to put out a roaring blaze at the Azan Supercenter warehouse on Ashenheim Road in St. Andrew.
We understand that the fire started sometime after 1 p.m. at one unit and then quickly spread to other units. A lady just now very frantic said she was inside an office when she heard screams of fire and had to make her way out. Now this behind me is just one of many fire brigades we've seen. Firefighters are inside. It's very hot here on the outskirts. A lot of people have gathered just looking on.
But before the firefighters arrived, a dramatic rescue unfolded. Workers from the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC just across the road heard screams for help. A man was trapped inside the building. This man, Paul Fraser, was among the rescue team. Smoke punched him repeatedly and heat was literally pushing him away. However, he braved the flames and helped the man out the building.
Basic so far, the person came with him, run for and said thank you. From that I don't see him.
Before that, he didn't see him either. He was just following the sound of the desperate voice echoing from inside.
By the shot, it was a male.
Alright, so when you got there now, I heard you had to break a window. Just give us the rundown.
Alright, we have to prize out a window. First, prize the window off, then we book up on mesh, the diamond mesh. Try get his eye and lick it out, and then jar the person out.
And what happened after that?
After, we just stand up, laugh, watch a fire go, building golf.
And during that time, no fire brigade was here?
At that time, no fire, but say about 5 minutes after the person come out, yeah, we have a couple fire trucks come on the scene.
For about an hour, firefighters were back and forth pumping water. One of the trucks made a quick stop here at the JUTC for a refill. A slight delay as brown murky water ran from the pipe. Smoke still at this point as the fire continued to blaze. Outside help here, spraying water through a window. Another man who aided in the rescue recalled what was like a movie scene.
When we heard the cry for help, we had to be shouting for more assistance and we had to be hitting out the window. Gratefully, the windows weren't grilled, they were meshed. So we're hitting out the windows, as you can see over there, and the wall. We were just trying frantically to save the person that was trying for help.
One thing kept him going.
Somebody's life, somebody's life, and the cries for help, it is still in my head because, that cry, them saying trouble take your pick the shot fit you, and that cry for help, you have to put yourself kind of in that position to say, yo, what if that was me?
Head of the St. Andrew Police, Senior Superintendent Damian Manderson.
So several properties as it is now, spanning from 18 Ashenheim all the way out to Marcus Garvey Drive, is pretty much engulfed. A number of fire trucks are here working, trying to control, first of all, I believe, the blaze. And we're working with the owners, the Azans, to see what can be salvaged from the fire area, the damaged areas, and also to provide the necessary security and crowd control.
We've been on location for over an hour. I spoke with management just now, and while I was not able to get an interview, they indicated that no one was hurt in the blaze. Reporting for TVJ News, I'm Romardo Lyons.